8 divide 1 over 4 times 4. Some people do this 4 divided by 4, 1. So we have 8 divided by 1, which is, this is equals to what? 8, okay? 8 divided by 1 is going to give us 8. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, BOD B stands for bracket, O stands for of, division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we are solving with this rule from left to right, okay? So if we follow the rules correctly, our answer is not going to give us 8, right? So let's see the correct answer to this question. So 8 divided by 4, 3 divided by 1 over 4 times 4. So we are solving the division first because of our order of operation. Now, in this place, we are going to apply the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. So we are going to keep 8, change division to multiplication, and we'll flip this, which is 4 over 1. It's also known as 4 times 4, right? Now, 8 times 4, this is going to give us 32 times this 4. 32 times 4 is equals to 128. And this is the final answer to the question. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.